Okay, get the looks and the looks.
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice.
Well, hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by MyQualityHair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It is also SipnSlay and the first day of WIGMAS. Y'all know it's my favorite time of year, so we are here to give the looks, the deals, and some gifts, okay? Normally I'm collabing with other wig babes to give you guys some looks, but this year I decided to give back to y'all for the holidays. I just want to say thank y'all so much because this came today. This is y'all, okay? That 100K right there, that is y'all. I wish it would have said wig babes. I might change that. Y'all are the reason why I keep coming back every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday and giving y'all the looks, because y'all make it enjoyable. Your interactions with me are enjoyable. I just have such a positive feeling about the wig babe community that we collectively have built around this channel, and I just really appreciate every single one of y'all for getting me to this milestone. So make sure you're checking the pinned comment of every single video this month. I will have some gift opportunities down there for y'all, okay? But anyway, let me get into my sippy sip. I got my little lemon drop situation because y'all hear it, okay? My voice is a little raspy thanks to my daughter. So yeah, drink up. Oh, that's spicy. For today's video, I'm giving you guys my first human hair Converti cap. No lace, no extra blending, and it's beginner friendly. And don't worry, I'll show you guys how I do all of this, okay? All of this right here. I know somebody was already typing, how you do the rap? Be patient, or just fast forward, but it's in the video. So if you want to see how I got this look plus some other ones, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from MyQualityHair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. You can choose a lot of different specs for this wig, from the length, the texture, the cap size, the density. MyQualityHair normally comes with the specs, so go ahead and check your change purse and see which one may fit your budget this time around, okay? Now, I did go ahead and wash my hair because it did come with a strong chemical smell, and a home bath wasn't going to take that out, okay? So I went on and dunked that joint in some water. And use my my dish soap to get that smell out. I washed it like 2 times and then I soaked it for about 10 minutes. I did not stop rinsing her until my water was clear, and most of the smell did come out. I know I'll be joking with y'all about the whole bath and, you know, not washing my wigs or whatever, and I don't, okay? I really do be doing that in the video, but when the video is over, I go wash my wigs. So, you know, wash your wigs. But anyway, this is a Converti cap. It does come with 1 comb in the front, 2 combs on the side, and 1 comb in the back, with the drawstring in the back for the ponytail. First, I'm gonna rock it as a half wig with a headband. Let me just, hold up. Take the glasses off, Kai. I'm gonna put on my wig grip just to make sure she's gonna be secure on my dome. I did get the 23-inch cap for mine because y'all know my head is big every day, okay, 23 inches. With that being said, this is pretty much a perfect fit for a 23-inch head as a half wig. It fits perfectly on the back of my dome. If I wanted to move it up for a full wig, you guys will see how I can finesse that, but the half wig is fitting pretty much perfect. The cap itself is not super deep, okay? So if you plan on having a ponytail or some braids sticking out, it may not work for you. You want to make sure your hair is flat under this cap in order for it to fit down how you need it to fit down. Let me see, where's the front? This is the front. So if I want to do just a simple little throw on and go, hold up. All right, let me fix it. It's still a little damp, but we're gonna dry that down in a second. This is definitely giving, like, you know, headband wig vibes, but I can do more. I do want to clump my ends, but for the oh, wait a minute. And hit me in the eye because I called you funky. Like, golly. Ding, ding. I got a new joint, okay? Let's put some in there. Work it out. I did detangle the wig when I did my cleansing and my wash, so it shouldn't be too tangled as I'm working this product through. I love me a fresh product. If you are someone who doesn't want to deal with a whole bunch of lace, you just kind of want to put a wig on and go. Converti caps, half wigs, headband wigs, that's where you need to be, okay? Don't be on my channel complaining about lace wigs and what's too much work. Get a half wig then, okay? Get a converti cap, get a headband wig. And if you don't like that, then you don't deserve a wig. I don't care what they tell you about ready to go out the pack. It's gonna need some work, sis, okay? Ooh, these curls are clumping really nicely. I do like that, my quality. I did get some shedding when I did the wash and detangle, but this is a kinky curly wig, so I do expect it to shed. So, you know, there's that. I got some little stringy ones down here. Let me cut that off. All right, and then clump my ends like this. Clumpity, clump, clump, clumpity, clump, clump. All right, so this is how it's looking after I clump the curls, and then this is how it's looking when I wash her. So depending on how you want your curls to look, you may have to do a little bit of work or a lot of bit of work. Okay, you choose, you choose. Clump them curls, clump them curls. If you don't have this brush, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and get the brush, okay? If it's not this exact one, get one like it. But this brush is linked to my Amazon store. Y'all did sell it out though, so I did link the travel size one. And not a paddle brush, okay? Not the joints with the pads in it, no. You need an actual detangler brush to get your curls like this. Ooh, cute, cute. I don't gotta define the ends on this one because it pretty much already did it by itself. Okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry for a little bit, do my makeup, and then we'll come back and diffuse the hair and give some looks. Okay, yeah. Okay, so diffusing is done. The curls are looking good. You can actually stop at this point right here if you like this look. I want mine to be a little bit fuller, so I'm gonna use my pick. Y'all know the drill, okay? Pick from the root, fill it out a little bit more. It's also giving this unit a little bit more length. See, diffused, tight curl, picked out, looser curl. If this is still too tight for you, you can use your blow dryer on warm heat and just go back and forth and lengthen that hair out a little bit to get the desired shape. The curls on this side are a little bit more defined than my other side. I think it's how I put the mousse on there, but it's all right. I ain't gonna worry about it. Pick them apart just a smidge. Just to make sure she's secure, I'm gonna put the drawstring under the headband, just to make sure my back not gonna be coming up if the wind decide to blow. She is cute, she is cute. MyQualityHair, like their curly wigs are nice, okay? They're real nice. I need to fix this because my hairline is, y'all know my hairline is uneven. It's filling in, it's just really, the hairs are real fine. See that? So you can't really see them as much. I'm gonna take a little bit of my gel right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Smooth that in. I know you want to be seen, Cindy, but give me a second. Smooth it out like that. And then I'm gonna take my Toppik, okay? My Toppik with the applicator. And I'm just gonna move it back and forth like that. Brush those fibers in. So this is like a learning curve, but apply it in the direction that you want the hair to go. So when I was doing it side to side, it was making it splotchy. But going front to back where the hair is actually going, it works out, okay? So there we go with that. And now, here we are. Wait a minute, my lips. And before y'all ask, I got this headband from Target. And I'm pretty sure I got it last year. So, you know, it might not be there this year. But if I find a link for one, I will put it down below. Okay? Now let's see if I can rock her without, I keep on saying elastic band, without the headband. So I'm just gonna take it off. Let's see how she's gonna look as a full cap. Hold up. She already laying down like I need her. Okay. I'll get my comb right up in here. I'm gonna fluff it just a little bit more. Put the hoops on. I'm gonna put a bobby pin right here in the front just to make sure this is not gonna move when the wind blows. That's how it's looking on top. You can see, can you see a track? Mind your business, mind your business. But there we go with that look. Okay. I just literally threw it up in a ponytail, nothing crazy. I'm gonna do the ponytail. I'm gonna convert this into a ponytail. Let's see if it works out. Use the drawstring. I don't wanna tighten it down all the way because I wanna make sure I have enough to tighten it when I put it on. I'm gonna use one of the combs here in the front, if I can find it. Put it over my ponytail, tighten it down. Ooh, that's secure, okay. Ooh, that's a big old puff. I'm gonna use my bobby pins, just so you know, extra security, because I don't wanna use too many of those combs in my head. Let me move down a little bit more so you guys can see me. All right, so there's that for the ponytail. And it doesn't have to be this high. You can do a low ponytail. You can do like a little bang situation with a bun. Hold on, let me see how I can work that out. If you want to thin it out a little bit, you can definitely do that. Bring that over like this. Bring that down and then kind of tuck it under. Put a scrunchie on there. Okay. See that? I can also take a scrunchie, okay? Also take a scrunchie to lift it up a little bit more. Here we go, here we go. Take my scrunchie, bring it like this, put it halfway on. Don't bring it all the way down. Like this. And I can lift it up a little more. Let me come lower so y'all can see. But I can lift it up a little bit more. Like it doesn't have to be so low. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. Push that down, left that out. Just to make sure my natural hair has the same shine without putting too much product in it, I'm gonna use my light silk spray. I'm just gonna spray it on my hair and then smooth it in, okay? Listen, if you want all eyes on you, get this joint, okay? Get the looks and the looks. I can also rock a scarf. These are in my Amazon store, so I'm just gonna tie it up. Let's see if this will work. So tie it, crisscross it, cross it again, a twist. Uh-oh. Okay, bring it up like that. And then we're gonna wrap it around to the back. Okay, crisscross those to the back, wrap it around. You're gonna tie that one time. And then you're gonna wrap it back, twist it, wrap it back, and tuck it like this. Do the same thing on this side, wrap it, tuck it down like that. Get my edges together. Oh yeah. I really do like how this looks. And don't worry, you don't have to wear the scarf, you know, pushed back like this. I just want it like that so I can show my hairline. But if you don't want to show your hairline, just wrap your scarf a little bit tighter around your ears. It will cover a little bit more of your ears, so be mindful of that. But you know, you can still wrap it tighter up in this area and then knot it and then pull it back so that it covers more of your hairline, okay? Okay, but y'all tell me down below what you think about this one. Shout out one more time to MyQualityHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.